You win, I quit. Aesthetic AF, rather organized and slightly attractive. I'm gonna start with Damon Dominique, but like, Damon, if you see this video, literally comment, because I've been seeing that you've been commenting on people's Notion videos. I feel like a fudging stalker. Dashboard, pretty plain, but like, I guess it's cute. I really like how it's in French though, because Damon, French. Video inventory, nothing special, like not aesthetic, but organized. We're gonna put Damon under rather organized. Next, Ali Abdal, who basically like invented Notion. Yeah, his is not aesthetic, but I mean, obviously it's organized. He has this video thing which makes me want to pass out, because here I am filming a video at literally 6 a.m. and he has his like all planned out sponsored video schedule. Like, what? Okay, I can't. Oh my god, he has this 3-act structure thing that I'm just like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, who does this? I put him in rather organized again, because I mean, that's absolutely ridiculous. Next is this YouTuber named Annie Long. I don't know why, but I think this is so cute. Like, how is his Notion homepage?